You can see the rapid disappearing of water under the microscope. This, no doubt, is a disaster for all the bacteria and other microbes living in this small world. Air moves in fast, and the surface tension pushes microbes around like a flood. Some weaker microbes can be ripped apart simply by the force, while others dehydrate, waiting for their time to come. But there are still hope. The surface tension also creates small water drops under the slide, and those reservoirs become the sanctuary of the survived one, where life can still thrive. The water under the slide will eventually dry out, even for those reservoirs. But in nature, those water pockets in soil or small crevices can hold long enough until water comes